Today we recover a WWII Mitsubishi A6M 0.
Every step is planned and permitted.
We work inside a protected boundary.
Thin aluminum makes this recovery delicate.
We locate and document before disturbing.
There it is. That shape is unmistakable.
Everyone feels it.
The ROV goes down. Visibility falls fast. Clean sand, minimal silt.
There it is.
Fatal markings emerge.
Before anything moves.
Wings are off limits.
I could taste you right after the rotate. They can fail under their own weight.
Designed to hold, not squeeze. No sharp contact points.
All weight through the center.
We lift in millimeters.
Seabed still has it. We look for any sign of failure. Sand holds harder than steel.
Rushing risks damage.
Millimeters at a time.
That's the risk point. They're never part of the lift.
Center of gravity.
Water inside shifts everything.
Metal this thin can tear.
Slow and steady.
That's the moment.
Freeloads can swing.
So far, so good.
Proceeding.
We're clear to ascend.
We go.
Nothing fast.
Drainage shifts balance. Tiny corrections matter.
That's what we want.
Light means surface.
back in daylight.
From seabed to ship.
The cradle now carries it.
We look for hidden damage.
Every step is recorded.
This isn't just salvage.
Salt removal starts immediately.
Future study depends on this.
Exposure can destroy it.
Begins to leach out.
Weeks, not days. Every piece matters.
Assess first.
Restoration comes later.
Stability is everything.
It can finally rest.
Responsibility changes hand.
Just relief.
Recovered the right way. Now the slow work begins. Chemistry guides every step.
This takes patience.
Nothing is lost.
Sometimes doing nothing is best. I'd say.
Preservation continues.
Transparency matters.
Time is protection.
Not open to the public.
No thermal shock.
Integrity comes first. No.
I mean, yeah.
The zero is safe.
Every action recorded.
Preservation.
Work continues unseen.
History protected.
Stability is holding.
Salt levels are dropping.
Even color tells a story.
Records match the wreck.
No currents on the skin.
Chain of custody holds.
The wings are safe.
We need to ensure the public understands the context of these artifacts.
Absolutely, the history is crucial.
History without spectacle.
That's good news.
Preservation is patient.
Invisible but vital.
They fail first.
Oversight continues.
Salt takes time. Accountability maintained. It endues.
Protected overnight.
Preservation continues.
Conditions remain stable.
Stillness protects fragile metal.
Years, not months.
Every rivet mattered. Evidence lasts forever.
Sometimes restraint is the work.
Quiet progress.
No stress points.
The audit review is complete. Everything is fully compliant. Oversight never stops.
That's success.
Nothing left undocumented.
Safest place for now.
No changes planned.
Conditions approved.
Work without noise.
All values normal. History sleeps safely.
This is preservation.
History returned responsibly.